Hello art friends, get those pencils ready. We're going to be drawing Ren and Stimpy. Okay, these are some funny characters. All right, so to start, we're going to start with the mousy looking one. And we're going to draw a circle. And then we're going to draw another circle right beside that circle that's maybe just a little bigger. We're going to put another circle in there and some black on the middle of that. And we're going to do the same thing here. There we go. All right, then we're going to draw a little U. Okay, and that U is going to come up like so. And then it's going to come down and around, and then it's going to come back up and around, and it's going to come out, back out, just like that. Actually, I don't like that. There we go, like that. So it comes out. There we go. All right. Then we're going to draw the little head part right here that's going to come around, and then this line right here has another line here that joins it and comes up and around and back for the ear, and then we got another ear here, and then we got some little hairs, and then we got some teeth. And then we got some more teeth here. And then we've got the back of the mouth and a little heart-shaped tongue. And there's his head, and he's mostly head. And we've got a little flat V for the top of the arm. And then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers. That brings us back up here and down, and then he comes out, got a leg here, comes around, got another leg here, and it comes back up. And we've got another arm that's kind of the same, and we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, back up. And there is our first character. All right, now for the bigger character with the blue nose. All right, so for the blue nose, we're gonna draw a great big circle with 2 ovals in the middle. And then we're gonna draw letter U. Kind of like a weird little hook. And then that hook is going to have a little on the top of it. Then we're going to go down and around and down. And then we've got some teeth here. Some straight lines. And then we've got some teeth here. Some straight lines, and then we've got this crazy tongue with a wiggly line like so, and then here is the mouth on the side. And then let's go up here, we'll do the eyes. So we got an oval with another circle in the middle, a bigger oval with a circle in the middle, and then we've got a line that comes around and lands down there again. Then we've got some little lines underneath the eyes, and another line coming like that. And it looks like we got some little dots here. And then we've got another line on the top, comes down, And then there's like a little ear here. And then it comes down. And we have a little V. And we have some fingers. Like so, with some little fingernails on them. Oh, I guess the other guy has fingernails too, doesn't he? Or she, whoever. Whatever these characters are. Okay, and then we're gonna come down, out, and a big kind of, it looks like an ear or a backward C. And then it's gonna come across. And then we've got another great big foot. It's gonna come back. And then we're gonna have a line coming from here down. And then that one also has another line that comes up, up, and connects there with that mouth line. I think I like this. I'm gonna move this just a little. There we go. That's better. And then let's see, what else do we have? We got some little hairlines and, oh, that's right, his other arm. Very kind of sharp V. And we've got the thumb here, finger, finger, pinky, fingernails, little marks. Okay, and there is Ren and Stimpy, and we'll put them on the ground. There we go. Looks like maybe they're jumping. I think I'm gonna make some jumping lines. Like maybe they're scared, happy, excited, I don't know. All right, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Middle School Art Mania. Thanks for watching.